Let's go. This is my brother. We have to pull this. Okay. भैया हम सही मॉल में तो है ना? Guys, look, you don't need to be a millionaire or a billionaire just to hang out at the most expensive mall in India. Honestly, half the reason people even come to DLF Emporio in Delhi isn't to shop, it's just to check out the parking lot. On any given day, you will see some of the craziest supercars in the country just casually parked here. And once you step inside, it gets even crazier. We are talking about the absolute peak of luxury branding. Every single massive fashion house you've ever heard of, LV, Gucci, Dior, they all have their insane flagship stores here. This is the fine dining area. There's actually no food court here, instead, they are bringing you the ultimate fine dining experience. Plus, you might just bump into some of the most influential people in the country. Fun fact, I have seen this exact mall in Saurav Joshi's vlogs multiple times. Whenever India's best vlogger comes to Delhi, this is his go to spot.
गाइस तो अभी घूमते फिरते मॉल पहुंच गए हम। और देखो मॉल कौन से आए हैं गाइस, गाड़ी का डिसाइड तो कर लेंगे, फिलहाल यहाँ पे आ गए हैं लंच के लिए। गाइस तो अभी घूमते फिरते मॉल पहुंच गए हम। और देखो मॉल कौन से आए हैं गाइस, गाड़ी का डिसाइड तो कर लेंगे, फिलहाल यहाँ पे आ गए हैं लंच के लिए मॉल के बीच में।
There's a different aroma here. The way people move, the opulence in every corner, luxury in just every direction you look. And numbers back it up too. LV has only 3 stores across India, and one of them is right here. Cartier has just 2. And again, this place isn't just about Rolex, Versace, and all the other international stuff. One floor up, you will find India's biggest fashion houses. Designers who walk their collections at Paris Fashion Week, Padma Shri holders, the names the whole world thinks of when they think of Indian fashion. We went to LV, 5-minute waiting. We went to Rolex, again 5-10 minute waiting. I understand their purpose of doing that, to maintain their high-end luxury value, their reputation. Do you know the actual reason why luxury brands do this? It's all about protecting their high-end image and creating a sense of scarcity. They want you to feel like that the product is more valuable than your immediate time or attention. They made people wait outside in a 5-minute queue or a 10-minute queue to make them crave for the attention of the salesperson. These brands don't just sell products, they sell status through manufactured scarcity. And then we walked into Coach. And just guys see what happens next.
54,500.
You know, this is why I love filming these videos, because you cannot make this stuff up. And here's another thing I noticed while walking through the mall. In almost every luxury store, there is this huge negative space. Like one item placed here and the next one literally 1 to 2 feet away. At first, it felt weird. But that's actually the whole point. They want every single item to feel exclusive, premium, like it deserves its own spotlight. And then I was just casually browsing, completely unbothered, judging everyone's expensive taste, until my eyes landed on. This one was 3 lakh. 3 lakh kitna? 54? 54,000. My absolute favorite part about this place is how quiet it is. The moment you walk in, there is this stillness I've never felt in any public space before. Just like the world outside stopped existing. I cannot explain it in words, you have to experience it yourself. The switch was instant, and I only realized it how different it is when I stepped into DLF Promenade, which is just adjacent to this place. Disappointing collection, guys. Now we are going to Calvin Klein. It's really lovely at the store. बोलने खत्म हो चुकी है शायद मैं जिंदगी में कभी बोल ही नहीं कर पाऊंगी Okay, it's looking very beautiful in person, but the camera is not doing justice. Last time we came to this store, Uniqlo. This is Ambience Mall, and this is DLF Avenue. गेट हम कुछ बहुत ज्यादा पास नहीं है इंडियन गेट से क्या देखना है रोज तो निकलते हैं यहाँ से पता नहीं यहाँ पे देखो इतने सारे लोग हैं भाई यहाँ पे इतना तो उत्थे मॉल च नहीं सी रश जिन्ना हाँ गाइस मॉल में इतने लोग नहीं थे जितने यहाँ पर हैं पता नहीं क्या कर रहे हैं दिल्ली के लोग मैंने तो आया ले इतने 12 Oh my god, so pretty यार